morning, I'm making waffles. Now I'm gonna make a coffee. After this, first of all, I gotta talk super quiet because I don't want to wake up the kids. But anyway, let's get this coffee going and get the day started. Oh yeah, look at that coffee. Ooh. Mmm. Get your caramel sauce. I like doing this. I've liked it. Tastes pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah, look at that. A lot stronger than usual. Oh boy, today's gonna be a good day. Here we go. Hope I don't wake up any of the kids. You guys hear that? The MTV canceled Ridiculousness after 46 seasons. I've been seeing that. I saw that yesterday and I saw it just now. Ridiculousness. I gotta poop. Look at this. Look outside. Wait right here. I'll be right back. You understand? Don't eat my chicken. I came to Lowe's to get earplugs because I forgot my earmuffs at home, and I need drill bits for wood because I'm gonna put the door handle on the gate today. I don't have any drill bits. I don't think there's been a Saturday where I don't. You get this for 30 bucks. Well, I don't know if I need all of this stuff though. You know, I don't think there's been a Saturday where I don't forget something for the past 2 months. I've forgotten something. Sucks, man. It really does suck. I don't need an XL. I need a rain jacket, but I shouldn't be getting stuff right now. Yeah, I gotta go get the drill bits. I got here to the drill bits. These are 13 bucks, 16 bucks, 13, 25 bucks just for that. What are they? 25. Yeah, a lot of 30 bucks, 25 bucks. You know, I think that one's 25, that one's 15, but that has no drill bits, no drill bits. Oh, this one's 20 bucks. Should I just get this guy? You know, I think I'm gonna go with this guy. I don't need these though. I mean, this is 20 bucks. 25 bucks. 25 bucks. chat. Why is it when I get to a house that I'm gonna clean up, it's beautiful by the way, look at this. Beautiful. I love this entrance by the way, look at this. Oh yeah, buddy. You know what? I don't even want to come up here because all I'm gonna do is leaf blow. You know what I just realized? Don't put things in your pockets at the store. Brother, I just stole these. I stole them and I recorded it. I stole them and I recorded it. Well, it is what it is. I mean, it's a big company, Lowe's. You think they'll care if you steal this? No. Oh well. Let's get to work. You guys know you gotta pull your ear back to put these in? Some people just... Damn. So much earwax. Some people just put them in like this, and that doesn't do anything. People say it does, but no. Pull your ear back, and then put them in. Look. Look at the difference. See that? Versus if you just go like this. Okay, do you see that? Do you see that? What's the difference? See how much more this one sticks out? You gotta pull your ear. You'll feel it go in too. Look at that. You can't even see it. Well, maybe this one needs to go in a little further. Oh, there it is, brother. You hold it. It even says on the package. Look at that. You pull your ear back. Pull it back. Ooh. And then put them in. Alright. Let's get to leaf blowing. Look at this. All of this. Sheesh. Wrong way. Why does it keep doing that, dude? Look at this. This is a little before. I'll show you guys a little before. Alright. at this. Oh yeah, buddy. Nice and clean. Oh, look at this view. Leaves are falling. I'm falling. Actually fell yesterday down some steps. Alrighty. On to the next. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. I'm talking about me, not the trees. I think I've done the best so far. Vámonos! Woo! W's in the chat. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Damn! Alright, chat. I'm gonna do, well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put my seatbelt on. I wanna show you guys how beautiful fall is. I think I've said this in the past 3 videos. No, in the past week, dog. Look at this. I don't know. This rain, the leaves falling, the wind. Oh my gosh, it's a vibe. I'm gonna risk my phone. Alright, I'm gonna risk my phone for you guys. Look at this. Take a look at this. Wait, hold on. There's evergreens everywhere. I need to look for a maple tree. Alright, let's go, let's go. Maple tree incoming. I was gonna show you, I always show you guys through the windshield, but there's a glare, so I'm gonna stick my phone out the window. Alright, look at this. It's not bad. There was leaves all over the road on the other one, but here, take a look. Beautiful, right? I know. Came to my sister's house to get this canopy because I'm gonna be working outside. I don't want to get wet. Do you want to get wet?
No.
Anywho, yeah. And here's my niece that she loves me. Definitely doesn't cry when I'm with her. Right? Oh! She pushed my hand away. Okay, I'll let her be. That's my stuff. I'm not gonna go in there. I still live here. Dang.
Hey!
I used to live.
Where are you? Hey, Angel!
What?
Can you turn off the thermostat?
Yeah, where is it? Oh, how are you? Oh my gosh, this thing is tiny. She's so tiny. Look at this. Her whole head fits in my hand. Oh, you're cold, little girl. Look at this house. This is the joy. Look at this. Ooh, there's thunder. Nice. Look at this, guys. I want to see how long it takes me, and I usually do this for all of this. So I'll leave some gap. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. And I bet you by the time I'm done, there's gonna be more leaves on the floor because it's kind of windy. What? Go on in there, buddy. Alright. Ow. I think for this one, I'm gonna wear my other jacket. I'm gonna wear this jacket instead. This one's getting a little wet. What sucks though is that this one doesn't have a hoodie. That's alright. We'll deal with that. So yeah, it was a bad choice wearing a thermal. Because this one's thicker. And they're gonna get us wet. Got your car part? Your car part? Alrighty, let's start. Backyard. Woo! sudden, it got pretty dark. Means there's a dark cloud. When there's a dark cloud, there's a big storm here. Here's the after. Oh yeah, buddy. Done lumber to get a latch for the door. I have to get one of these for the ground and this guy. I think this is perfect. So you guys can see, I don't know if you guys saw the shirt I was wearing under. It's this shirt right here. Why did I change? You know what I had to do? I had to go to Ross and get myself a new shirt. I was gonna get new jeans, but whatever. I got drenched after that time lapse, and I didn't. I thought, I really hoped that the camera wouldn't have turned off before then, but a rainstorm passed by and it was raining sideways. It was crazy. I was enjoying it. It was pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie, but the camera didn't catch it. It died, and yeah, I went to Chick-fil-A and Ross. We went to Ross and Chick-fil-A. So yeah, now I'm gonna eat really quick and then see if I can get this door done. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna call it quits for this video. Yeah, it was just me working. I have to work. And then I gotta go home. I gotta take care of the kids. You know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the videos, get entertained. What do I always say? I hope you got entertained, you got motivated and inspired. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do something better than yesterday. Be an arrow. The more they pull you back, the further you go. Peace.